Hi, my name is Mark Tacna and I am the owner of Colorado Springs Video. I wanted to talk to you about the power of how-to videos, also called explainer videos. Now, I have produced over 100 of these videos on my YouTube channel called The Media Nerd, and they have been generating business for me for the past few years. Think about the last time that you searched for a product or a service online. Now, did you read a bunch of text or did you watch just a short little video? Well, you're not alone. 72% of customers prefer learning about a product or service through a video than reading text. That's why product how-to and explainer videos are so powerful on websites. They break down complex ideas, they show your product in action, and they gain instant trust. Here's the data to back it up. 84% of people that watched a brand video were convinced to make a purchase. Websites with video have 53% greater chance of getting on the top page of Google than websites without video. And visitors spend 2.6 times longer on websites that have videos than websites that don't have videos. That time on your website isn't just a number. It is more chances for your viewers to learn about your product, learn your story, and take action. A how-to or explainer video is like your best salesperson that is working 24/7. The video breaks down complicated operations, helps your viewers gain trust on who you are, being the expert on what you do, all within just a couple of minutes. If you want your website not just to get clicks, but to convert viewers into buyers, then how-to explainer videos is not an option. It is essential for the growth of your business, because when people see it, they believe it. If you would like to get help producing your videos for your website, I would love to help you out. You can contact me through my website, or you can give me a phone call, 719-233-2667, or shoot me off an email at cospringsvideo@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to talk with you.